Hola, ¿cómo estás? Espero que estés bien. Um, I prefer to create this video in order to answer your question. Um, I know that maybe all the courses that you have taken before had some schedules. Mine had a schedule as well. Um, so maybe it has been the way that you have been like reading my D12 schedules, because I have set everything every single time that we start a new chapter. I'm gonna say the reason why I cannot set like the same days for the assignments, and it's because we have to see 6 chapters in 5 weeks. So I don't have a week for work on a single chapter. I have to divide 6 chapters in 5 weeks. It means that before starting this class, I decided that some chapters need more days than others. So I have been working 6 days in sub-chapter, other 5, and another chapters just 4 days. So that it has been the reason why I cannot say like all the assignments or most of the assignments are gonna be due Sundays, and it's because I I design my class for chapters. So if you see, for example, for this unit, that is week 4, the chapter 5, because we're gonna finish with chapter 6. If you check my Guía Didáctica, I tell you the days of this week or this chapter, and it's June 16 to June 12 to June 16. Most of the assignments are officially due Sunday, June 16. It means today. And here, if you check, you're gonna see the activities. This is something that I have created, but most of the activities are gonna be due today. Yeah. But also there are some activities that I say due date today. Means, for example, paso 1, discusión buenos y malos hábitos, was due June 14. Yeah, and I explain here. Otherwise, we are gonna imagine that you just don't check this and you start to work. Maybe you check every single unit that I create or folder that I create here, if I can call that way. For example, say this, and the due date is June 16. Yeah, and you check the next activity, that is mini lecciones 1 y 2, and you start to read and complete the activities. You go to the 12, my Spanish lab, you complete the activities and say the due date is June 16 again. And if you go here, for example, mini lección 3 y 4, again you check and you're gonna see the due date. So the due date is June 16. Yeah. So then you go to the next one, los días de la semana y los verbos, and again you're gonna see the due date at the end, and it's 16. And again, mini lecciones 6 y 7, so you check here, and then you're gonna see the due date, that is June 16. But, for example, I start to say that the next is the video, and if you see again, the due date is today, June 16. But if you see here the discussion, I say that the paso 1, the due date is viernes, junio 14, so Friday, June 14, and paso 2 is due today, paso 2. Okay, if you check here, you're gonna see the quiz, and the quiz say that the due date is June 15, and then you also see that my chapter exam 2, if you check the day, is gonna be Friday. Yeah. So then maybe you don't see any of this. You just go to my Spanish lab and start working in the activities. That is not the way that I want you to work in my class, because I would like you to start right the way that I prepare. So we're gonna imagine that you start with the checklist, because yeah, it's okay. So just start and you're gonna see the due days here as well. Yeah, so June 16, June 16, June 14, June 16, June 15, June 14. Okay, so yeah, I know I would like that you have the same like due days for some activities like discussions or quiz or exams, but it's not possible for me, not because I don't want, it's just because um, I need to see 6 chapters in 5 weeks. I I cannot work every week with a chapter. Otherwise, it will be that way, and you will have always the same due days for some activities. But it's not possible. Yeah. So I hope that my video helped you to understand why. And if you need time for completing other activities, or you need me to open some activities because you haven't been able to complete them, I am happy to help you, and just let me know. Okay. Hasta pronto. Adiós.